Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix wrong gas prices on GasBuddy. So if you notice that a gas station is showing the wrong fuel prices or the information hasn't been updated, then just follow along. First, open the GasBuddy app and sign into your account. Next, use the map or search bar to find the gas station with the incorrect prices. Tap on the station to open its details. And if you're at the station or know the current prices, tap the Report Prices button. Now, enter the correct prices for each fuel grade such as regular, mid-grade, premium, or diesel, depending on what's available at that location. And before submitting, double check that you've entered the correct amounts since other GasBuddy users rely on these updates to find the best fuel prices. And once everything looks correct, tap Submit. Your updated prices will be reviewed and then appear on the station listing, helping keep GasBuddy accurate for everyone. And if the prices continue to appear incorrectly even after you've submitted an update, try refreshing the app or reopening the station page after a few minutes. By reporting accurate fuel prices whenever you notice changes, you help other drivers save money and improve the overall accuracy of GasBuddy. So that was how to fix wrong gas prices on GasBuddy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.